Alright folks, on this video we're taking you guys behind the scenes. We're going to be going through our new facility which we moved into a few months ago. We've got 1,400 square meters under roof at Core's new HQ. We're going to be going through the manufacturing side, the new showroom, the design team and marketing team in the offices to show you guys at home how Core Off-Road's products are manufactured and everything that happens behind the scenes. So come with me, we'll go and get started. And this is our new 300 square meter showroom. Now, if you're not building a canopy with us, it doesn't matter. If you've already got a canopy from somebody else, we sell absolutely everything to deck out your vehicle, whether it be a wagon or a ute. We sell everything from lighting through to communications, storage. We've even got plates, bowls and cups to deck out your touring vehicle. The team here at Sales will be able to help you with absolutely anything, be it suspension, wheels and tires. We've got the full power box range along with full canopies and at times full vehicle builds sitting in the showroom for you guys to come and have a look at.
So nice to meet ya, my mamacita. We could ride round town in my two-seater. I got a fever, so sick I need ya. Burning up like the sun, yeah she's a heater. So nice to meet ya.
So come on with us, we'll take you out the back and show you what else is happening. So guys, as you can see, the job card wall is pretty chockers at the moment with customers' builds underway. So if you are looking to get in a canopy, make sure you don't wait around. Jump on the blower, send an inquiry through the website and have a chat to the sales team to make sure you get a spot on this wall. Come through. A little bit behind the scenes, or one thing you guys don't see. You see all the glamour shots and everything on social media and YouTube and everything like that normally. This is where a lot of the big brain ideas come from. We've got our back office is broken up into sections or segments. We've got design side of things with the engineers. So these are the guys that actually draw your canopy, and with some of our products they'll turn my chook scratch drawings into reality so you guys can bolt them onto your four-wheel drives. The marketing and videography team, so obviously none of you guys would know about us if it wasn't for the marketing and videography team, plus Jodes, big little boss. And in the back corner here, we've got manufacturing. So this is where the boys sit that run the workshop and everything like that. So we'll go through into the next section. Stick with me. So probably one of the least glamorous parts of the company is our warehouse. But without our warehousing and without our systems, all of your parts wouldn't be able to make it onto your vehicles. We have over 100 deliveries, either parts coming in or going out of the warehouse, and we have over 100 pallet bays in here. Now, once your deposit is paid for your canopy, all of your parts are ordered. When they're received into stock through the warehouse, they're labeled, marked with the customer's name so that all the parts are sitting there waiting, ready to go as your build starts to come through. So there's a hell of a lot of moving parts, especially when you take a full build, for example. The amount of parts and pieces that go into that build is phenomenal. And the level of organization to make sure that you guys get exactly what you had planned on your build sheet, ready to go and start touring this awesome country of ours. So now we've come into the fab shed. In our fabrication shed is where all of the aluminium parts will come from pressing and laser cut to come into here and get welded and assembled. Our fab shed consists of 2 MIG bays and 2 TIG bays. So larger items like subframes and everything like that will get manufactured in the MIG bays, and smaller parts like under tray boxes and things like that will get done in the TIG bays. The workshop's always nice and noisy, but at the end of the day, this is where all of your canopies first begin, with the subframe, under tray boxes and items like trundle drawers. All right, now the manufacturing shed. This is where all of the parts first start to come together to make you guys a canopy. So come with me, we'll go through and show you. So our manufacturing facility, from everything from our Powerbox range, all gets built here. They get cut here. Absolutely everything from start to finish. The boys are going through putting power boxes together at the moment. The first canopy bay, so from when a canopy subframe comes back from powder coat, it'll start at this first station. Then the canopy progresses around the workshop as it keeps going. So all the canopy internals, everything gets cut here on our in-house CNC machine. All the internals are then pre-built and ready to go. So as the canopy comes along the manufacturing line, the internals, including fridge surrounds, drawers, everything are all pre-made and ready to go in. One of the main items in a touring canopy is going to be electrical components. Now, Steve and Jet, our two in-house Auto Sparkies, pre-build all of the harnesses in-house and they get pre-fitted to the internals before it goes into the canopies. So any type of touring system where you've got lithium batteries, twin chargers, solar regulators, everything like that, the electrical side of things is a critical part to getting that canopy done. Come through, we'll have a look at the CNC machine. So the program they're running at the moment, they're cutting an internals for a canopy. Now the CNC machine cutting the plastic in-house, we're running about 111 millimeters per second on a straight run and around 67 millimeters per second when we're doing weight optimization out of the panels. One of the other things with the canopy process, once you guys actually pay your deposit, the trigger or the button is then pushed on your build and all of your parts then start to go through manufacturing. You can see up on the wall behind me here, we've got customer build pallets. So aluminium parts, for example, which is the first piece that we go through and manufacture, gets fabricated, QA'd, QC'd and checked, goes to powder coat, comes back from powder coat, gets QA'd once again, and then it'll go onto the customer's pallet. Now, subject to our manufacturing timeframes, your powder coated items may sit on that pallet for anywhere up to 6 to 8 weeks before your canopy and all the other parts start to come through manufacturing. Once again, there's a hell of a lot of moving parts to get a canopy built and out the door, and it takes a hell of a lot of organisation. All right guys, last but definitely not least is our accessory shed. Now, this is where all of the parts will actually start on your vehicle. Bull bars, side steps, roof racks, along with, this is where the canopies actually get fitted. So once canopy is completed in manufacturing, it gets QA'd and checked, it then gets brought around to the accessory shed and it's treated as if an accessory or a bull bar. The team in here do the final fitment of the canopy and they'll make sure that all the accessories and everything like that are all pre-done on the vehicle, like this new 79 series behind me here. So this is the last point. So once your canopy is then actually fitted to your car, from this stage, once it leaves the accessories team, it then goes back to the sales team to get full pre-delivery check, make sure that everything's finished, buttoned up and completed before you guys, the customer, get to come and pick up your brand new car. All right, legends, I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek behind the scenes here at Core Off-Road. If there's any information that you're chasing or a little bit more, if you've got a question for us, make sure you smash in a comment. Remember, ring the bell notification, give us a like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of Core Off-Road's latest videos. If you want to check out more, check out some of our rig build videos here and some of my cooking segments down the bottom. Thanks for tuning in.